AMKIL holds convention on 61 years of imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound. COSIM plans to include 20% contents about Manipur in COSIM syllabus textbooks within 2 years. Retired anesthesiologist of RIMS, Professor Dr. Nomaikapam Jitendra stresses on need for timely CPR to save life of cardiac arrest patient. And all Manipur Working Journalists Union and Directorate of Environment jointly observed World Biodiversity Day at Manipur Press Club today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories and latest news. All Manipur Kanba Imalub AMKIL held a convention titled 61 Years of Suspension of Right to Life in Manipur, the Imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound today. Members of various civil society organizations and human rights associations attended the event. A report on human rights violations in India submitted by Civil Society Coalition for Human Rights in Manipur and the UNCSCHR to United Nations Human Rights Committee was also released in the event. The same report will be presented during the 126th International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights to be held from July 1st to 26. The report highlights human rights violation issues facing Manipur and other northeast states, including suspension of right to life, lack of effective remedy, non-recognition of ethnic minorities, plundering of natural resources and political right to self-determination, etc.
Leibaksidadi 1980 dagi hauna ngasi bawba changjilakpa asbagi seithing asina phangiba awa ana mayamse akoi karamai torga kokadagi kana malemgi pichibida kanada hajaraga akoi upai ama masida laiba taibangmigi thawai matpa yadaba niyom kanon lo mayamse yengjanbinabagi damakta akoi imasingna pulap organize tawjaga numit ase pajamiyam akoi khangminasi haina pangthok.
Northeast Dialogue Forum in a press release demanded to lift Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 from the Northeast states. The forum stated that since the implementation of AFSFA, various ruthless operations such as Operation Bluebird, Operation Patsoy Village, Hairangoito Massacre, Ukrul Massacre took place in Northeast states where numerous people were killed in encounters with heightened incidents of crimes against women. It also said that Human Rights Council of the United Nations have even urged to remove the act. And COSIM Chairman L. Mahendra asserted that COSIM syllabus textbooks will include 20% contents about the state within 2 years. He was speaking in the 7th Foundation Day observance of Apunba Iraibaki Mahairoi Singh Panglub aims at Kwakathel today. Maintaining that youths need to be aware of one's ancestral beliefs and culture, Mahendra asserted that COSIM introduced syllabus with contents on the state for Class 12 Arts stream some years ago. He assured that such syllabus will be introduced for all other remaining classes in near future. Mahendra also stated that qualified teachers are required to bring a high-quality education system in the state. Speaking on the occasion, AIMS President Rajesh Yumnam opined that governments should take stern actions against those schools with nil pass percentage in 2019 Class 10 and 12 examinations. He maintained that students' organization will also take stern measures against these educational institutions.
Sahi amani stage akoida syllabus curriculum hongakpa local components holakpa parikha matam ngangkat ngakana hado pangamakpa aduga isa sing satra satri sing makoida makatam jaring matamda mafam mamada gi mafam mamada satpada kari su khudong sada batang halaktaba asimak academy gi tangdu leitaba higher secondary education da dilai hadi sai haje
oza lawba matamda di high class ki certificate paiba yamna awang ba thaki oza ngakta lawraga mai masing adu yamna haiba high class sing duna mokoi gi job opportunity hangraba matungdadi mokoi angang jingje like tapidri je kaigino mokoi ji job opportunity gi thabak tawbra haibse aims na hangjaningi.
Student states protest against demonstration failure of the relevant authority to repair the April 15 storm-ravaged roofs of Kakching Higher Secondary School. Taking part in the protest meet staged in the school campus today, General Secretary of the School Students' Union, Moirangthim Nelson, stated that roofs of chemistry and biology laboratories, classroom of 11 science library and computer classroom of the school were blown off by the storm. He asserted that the principal and vice principal of the school apprised the education as director on time, and even the additional director of the education as came to inspect the school and made a report. Nelson appealed to authority concerned to repair the classrooms before the beginning of 11 standard classes, failing which he warned of intense agitation in collaboration with other students' organizations.
School asi class 10 exam khado khare aduna 11 gi session horgani aduna like tampham sang leita ba sini marmaduna karigumba school sina thengnari ba dong cha dom byam ase sarkar gi makai dagi sinaba taragadi school sigi student union amadi sadar singi ga punna function kya chaksingani.
Reform Attend Discover RAD Institute organized an awareness program on cardiac arrest, heart attack and its preventive measures at the residence of retired anesthesiologist of RIMS, Professor Dr. Nomikapam Jitendra in Uripok Taurangbam Laikai today. Many medical experts, including senior anesthesiologists and critical care specialists of CG Hospital and Research Institute Private Limited, Dr. Tigen Jim Kennedy, Senior Consultant OB and Gynec of Imphal Hospital, Dr. C.H. Manglem, and Managing Director of RAD Institute, Dinkle Nomikapam, attended the program. Speaking on the sidelines, Dr. N. Jitendra asserted that cardiac arrest is a fatal condition. He maintained that timely CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation can revive and save the life of the cardiac arrest victim. Dr. Jitendra shared that even he suffered a cardiac arrest which left him unconscious for almost 45 minutes few years ago. He said timely CPR given to him by his daughter facilitated doctors in saving his life. Dr. Jitendra stated that the program organized by RAD Institute aimed to raise awareness on necessary emergency measures in the event of cardiac arrest. Experts demonstrated how to give CPR to cardiac arrest victims in the awareness program.
Anytime the cardiac arrest to Doctor Kudimakta Mapan Kudimu, Doctor Dileroy, Doctor Yona Bohona Bagi, Upaisi Kari, Togada Gapsi, A to Z people. Imung the labor me, like I the labor me, a Halamaluna Kang with Daka way, Hibigi Wakalun, the Queen, Santuxa Bahogzabaning a city. Hana di go mengi, Webatongabati Tawi, among the doctors, among the staff. Aduga is in the public to in the Togzabani.
Cardiac arrest is saying Haragadi, Ahangi stays, I am not way. Aduna Manipur su cardiac arrest yam di thokojani adu masigi reporting yam tawdaba aduna akoina khangdaba aduga cardiac arrest si tawraga hospital yorku matamda khwaidagi problem wersi cardiac arrest tawre aduga immediately treatment hodana hospital prokum yow matamda akoi treatment tawraga su hingba yabagi chance leitaba aduna akoina sinjari si aduga public ta khanganingi si yumdagi karigumba step khara hawgalagadi adu hawgalaga hospital yokslagadi natraga ambulance yoksangragadi hingbi chance yam wangba.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and the Directorate of Environment jointly held World Biodiversity Day observance at Manipur Press Club today. The event was held on the theme Our Biodiversity, Our Food, Our Health. Speaking in the event, Director of the Directorate of Environment, Government of Manipur, Dr. Y. Nabachandra stressed on the need for people to acknowledge biodiversity-related issues which are global issues.
Biodiversity Day si pangthoi bunoda ngasai CBD ni magi keno si miam sin batungna popularize tauna ba biodiversity issues e masi mayam na khangwina na ba campaign ama oina natragasu issues phajana mamutana naina la khang taragadi biodiversity conservation da ngasai hena mai onselang na pangtho ngasi baungda malem sida 3 lakh to 100 million sina Malayam ki arts da leriba species mayam simu lermne panarkanda si explore to ya hausi bawda sigi kenosida mangzal leiba sangse kayamnya mangzal agebu every year 72,000 species si disappear to ya kai gidamukta
Directorate of Environment, Government of Manipur, Dr. Kamal Memorial Association, Kanchipur, 6th Assam Rifles, Legal Aid Clinic, Langthabal Kunja, SI School, Langthabal and Enlighten Rehabilitation Center, Langthabal, also jointly held Biodiversity Day at Langthabal Palace today. Attendees planted around 200 tree saplings in Langthabal Hill as a part of the event. Arrangements are all in place for counting of votes in Thoubal district tomorrow for the 17th Lok Sabha elections. Returning officer of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Haubam Rosita, who is also the Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal district, stated that 16 counting holes have been arranged for 28 assembly segments of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency to start counting of votes by 8 a.m. tomorrow. She also mentioned that counting of electronically transmitted postal ballots will be held in one counting hall.
Counting siga mari lenana 28 assembly segments outer ki oina sigi loinma counting hall taraga taruk se sigi all arrangement patient sawa loire aduga akogi thobal bu oina tara taruk sida Bubalan Kaksinjo oina mangane amana manga sigi manungda amana ETPBS ki counting gi hall ne aduga akogi subida gi dry run asi successfully pangthokre.
District Election Officer in a press release informed that EVMs and VVPATs of 17 Lok Sabha Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency elections for 13 assembly segments of Imphal West District will be opened at the strong room of District Election Officer or DC Complex, Lumphil at 7:30 a.m. to begin counting of vote at 8 a.m. tomorrow. It also informed that Western Gate of SDC Imphal West Central Office will be opened for entry and exit of candidates, election agents, counting agents and counting officials of 9 Thangmaiban and 11 Sagolban assembly segments during poll counting of the 17th Lok Sabha election tomorrow. And a combined team of Thoubal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles apprehended a self-styled corporal of prescribed pre-park from Khongjom War Memorial Gate around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The arrested person is identified as 23-year-old Ningthaujam Kiran Mitai alias Boinao, son of late and Itoba Mitai from Kangabok Part 3, Lamlong, Tangkha, Laikai. Acting on a tip-off regarding illicit activities going on at hotels in Imphal City, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at hotels in Thangal Bazaar and Pauna Bazaar today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police Aribam Ghanashyam, carried out search drive at Hotel Avenue, Hotel Niran Lodge, Polo Inn, Hotel GM and Hotel Embassy from 1:50 p.m. till 2:45 p.m. One man and one woman were arrested during the drive. They were handed over to City Police Station for further investigation. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on one-day industry or academia interface on entrepreneurship opportunities and challenges in Manipur, held at Manipur University. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Center for Entrepreneurship and Skill Development, Manipur University, and Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, IIE Guwahati, jointly held one-day industry or academia interface on entrepreneurship, opportunities and challenges in Manipur at the conference hall of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University today. Manipur University and IIE Guwahati also signed a memorandum of understanding to promote entrepreneurship in the state with an aim to provide skills trainings to youths of the states. Speaking in the event, IIE Director Dr. Abhijit Sharma stressed the need to promote entrepreneurship to boost economy as well as to create jobs for unemployed youths, stating that IIE have provided various skills development trainings to around 2.5 lakh youths in its 25 years tenure. He asserted that youths of Manipur will be ahead of other northeast states with proper trainings. Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University, Amar Yumnam, renowned entrepreneur of the state and Managing Director of Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited, Thangjam Joy Kumar, and many eminent persons took part in the event.
In India and also in this region who are competent, has capabilities, but are somehow have ideas but not been able to translate the ideas into commercial viable enterprises. Scales will be large because they are getting into new areas, they are innovative, they create large impacts, they give employment to a large number of people, etc., etc.
People fondly remembered founder, principal of Imphal Art College, late Hanjabam Shyamo Sharma, on his centennial birth anniversary today. Attendees paid floral tribute to his statue on the college campus at Dulaland. Commissioner of Art and Culture Department, M. Lakshmi Kumar, opened the annual art exhibition 2019 of the college on the occasion. 38 students displayed various art productions in the exhibition. Speaking to media, M. Lakshmi Kumar appreciated the college for organizing the exhibition, providing a platform for art-loving students. He appreciated that attending students of both Hills and Valley exhibited extraordinary work of arts in the exhibition. The commissioner assured of making agenda to conduct an art competition for students by the Art and Culture Department. Chairman of Imphal Art College, L. Mangi, former principal of the college, Y. Nabachandra, and many renowned artists of the state attended the event.
Manipur City tourist am lakpalam dina masigi somewhere akoina link up amatoraga with talent sing say the hena across the board asi chalhan badai di sumba exhibitions na mating pangadra na khale it should be publicized the media na sumba siam kanna focus to be sumgadra na khale because young artists sing na say da koina ubada amna highly creative, highly imaginary portrait na singba the mo skill yam phajaba yam yauri mase theme da su tawi du na taw mo gi creative imagination su yam phajana puthokra na khale portrait topra na khale. So I think many of them yam the potential leba future gi artist, future gi talent yam yaur bra na khale mo marak sida.
Jain Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal and Huye Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association, Irilbung, jointly kicked off two-day festival of Thangta today. The event was held at Huye Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association complex in Irilbung. Speaking in the event, Vice Chairman of Jain Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, Professor H. Tombi stated that Thangta art form played a pivotal role in safeguarding the state in ancient times. He called on to promote the rare indigenous Thangta art form. Taking part in the event, Art and Culture Director Aribam Shivdas stated that it would be a wrong decision to give up one's indigenous art forms. Manipur Rural Bank opened its 26th branch at Lamlai today. General Manager of NABARD, Manipur RO Imphal, Dr. K. J. Satyasai, inaugurated the branch employing 3 staff. Speaking in the event, Branch Manager Huidrom Ambita Chanu asserted that a newly opened branch will greatly facilitate banking facility to people of Lamlai constituency. She appealed to public to utilize the bank and also to give suggestions for better performance.
Bank haibasidi loan piba tabane loan pi dragadi bank hingdre kaigino haibada mayam gi seva tawge na thoklai bane ba koigi aduna mayam gi paisa akoi da deposit taw biyo koi puri ne ba sendoi pi doi ne koina yumda thambadi sendoi phangde adagidi kaigumba kanda koina miwonda gi puru badidi sendoi se chong hunni ba selecti jahi manga changasu tara changasu selecti sumta taroi ba adu bank tagi lobo matam dadi jahi ahum changasu mari changasu fazana sendoi su selectu pulap singragadi po pa haibado ko eba miwonda gi puru radi supo ko oro singbasu ngamaro adu miduna di sendoi gi tum lobini ahum ka bi mari ka bi na tawnari se adu bank tadi sendoi akai pa sendoi da jahi da bolok toine ko di tharo ko da banate jahi da train toy tramdoi mari mangi scheme du gi matungina bolak ka doine baduna api pa sendoi da lobiyu pudong jab lobiyu matam chana sindok biyo ba.
Commander of Loktak Brigade Sanjeev Kumar inaugurated a new training hall of PMKVY constructed under PMKVY Army MOU scheme at Loktak Brigade headquarters in Lakoi part of Bishnupur district today. The event was organized by Humanism Foundation. Around 240 men and women of the district took part in a 3-month-long skills development training program launched on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, Sanjeev Kumar stated that the skill training program is a crucial program initiated by the Indian government. He urged the people to take full benefit of the scheme. SP Bishnupur, Hopshin Sapam and many people attended the event.
Youth in Manipur have got a lot of potential, lot of capability that the center will achieve tremendous success. We will ensure things run smoothly here. Whatever is mandated to be trained is provided to you. Please attend the classes seriously. That the training provider has certain responsibility, obligations towards the trainer. We all are a part of this country and it is the responsibility of the government of this country to provide job-based training to the employable youth.
Hyundai Motor India Limited's new sports utility vehicle SUV Venue was launched today at Punya Hyundai, located at Nagaram, Laifam, Kuno. General Manager of Punya Hyundai R.K. Prem Kumar, Chief Manager of SBI Secretariat Branch K.H. Okendro and others attended the launch. Hyundai Venue gets a well-equipped cabin with Blue Link connected car technology. The system offers 10 India-only features with a total of 33 connectivity features, including geofencing, speed alerts, SOS, panic notifications, destination sharing and roadside assistance, and so on. The Hyundai Venue comes with 3 engine options, 1.0 turbo GDI petrol, 1.2 Kappa petrol and 1.4 diesel engine. It comes in black single tone, khaki dual tone and denim dual tone. And in sports news, women hockey India has selected 18 players to participate in the Cantor Fitzgerald Under-21 International Four Nations tournament to be held at Dublin, Ireland. The tournament features India, Ireland, Canada and Scotland, which is scheduled for May 31st to June 4th. Out of the 18 players, 3 are from Manipur. Suman Devi Thaudam will lead the team as captain. Bichu Devi Kharibam is the goalkeeper and Sharmila Devi will play as the forward player. Team coach Baljit Singh will accompany the team to Dublin. Wangoi Municipal Council today felicitated Thaudam Nabakumar and his wife Thaudam Akashini, who bagged gold medals in 10,000 meter, 5,000 meter, 1,500 meter and 400 meter race events for 70-year-old category in the 14th Masters Athletic National Championship held at Guntur in Andhra Pradesh from February 5th to February 10. Manipur team comprising of 10 players, 2 referees, 1 manager and 1 coach left Imphal today to participate in the 12th Open Senior National Tug of War Championship 2019 to be held at Kathmandu in Nepal. The championship, organized under the aegis of Tug of War Federation of India in collaboration with Nepal's Tug of War Association, will be held from May 28 to May 29. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. AMKIL holds convention on 61 years of imposition of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 at Lamyan Basanglen Palace compound. COSIM plans to include 20% contents about Manipur in COSIM syllabus textbooks within 2 years. Retired anesthesiologist of RIMS, Professor Dr. Nomai Kapam Jitendra, stresses on need for timely CPR to save life of cardiac arrest patient. And All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Directorate of Environment jointly observed World Biodiversity Day at Manipur Press Club today.